In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom 30-second song in Suno AI. We'll move from a quick prompt to your own lyrics and style, so by the end you'll have a short, polished track you created yourself. Start by opening your browser and going to sunoi.com. Give the page a moment to load so everything initializes properly. If you already have an account, log in. If you're new, sign up. It only takes a moment, and it lets you save your creations and pick up where you left off later. Once you're in, look for the Create section. This is your workspace where you'll shape the idea, words, and vibe of your track. To get a fast starting point, use the sample option. In the prompt box, type something simple like, make this a 30-second song. This tells the system you want a tight, focused clip that's perfect for intros, social posts, or a demo of a bigger idea. The sample mode is great for sketching. It gives you a quick musical foundation so you can hear structure and pacing without overthinking it. Next, switch to the custom area. This is where your voice comes in. Add some lyrics. Just a few short lines are enough for a 30-second piece. Aim for a clear theme and concise phrasing, so every word has impact. Think in terms of a hook or a single scene. One strong image, a short story beat, or a direct message. If you want rhyme, keep it simple. If you prefer free verse, focus on rhythm and line breaks. For a clip this length, 2 to 4 lines can carry the whole moment. Now set the style for your song. This tells the system the energy and tone you're after. You can specify genre, mood, and general feel, bright and upbeat, moody and atmospheric, fast and driving, or laid back and warm. If you know the tempo or instrumentation you like, mention it briefly, but keep descriptions clean and direct. The style helps match the music to the story your lyrics are telling, so choose descriptors that reinforce your theme. Take a quick look over everything you've entered. Make sure the lyrics read the way you want them sung, and that your style notes support that mood. When it all looks good, click Create. The system will process your request and build your 30-second track based on the prompt, your lyrics, and your chosen style. Give it a moment to finish, then you'll be ready to hear what you made, and refine it further if inspiration strikes.